Hey there, it's Steph here from Stellar Game Assets. Let's go through the quick steps involved in adding an add-on pack to your base character from the Modular Character Series. First, import your base character and add-on packs into a project from the Package Manager. Locate the character style asset for your base pack. It's going to hold all of the arrays of styles and wearables that you can then apply to your character. You'll want to lock the inspector so you can easily add things to the different arrays, and then locate the wearable database from the add-on pack. Drag that wearable database to the array in the character style asset that you locked in the inspector. If the add-on pack you are adding includes any cosmetic styles like skin, eye, or eyebrows, you can now find them and drag them to their corresponding array in the character style. Cosmetic styles will be located in the art folder just above the database folder. Now run your scene and you will see that all of the items and cosmetics from your add-on pack are now accessible in the user interface. Have fun and reach out if you have any questions.